Hi everyone. Have you seen a fish in the water? There are many fish in this pond. In this video, I will show you some fish from this pond. These beautiful yellow wildflowers bloom around this pond. The flowers are very beautiful, so I picked some wildflowers from here. See, there are many tilapia fish here. If you give food in the pond, many more big fish can be seen. This pond is full of fish. These fish often swim on the surface of the water. The number of tilapia fish in this pond is more than other fish. The cultivation method of this fish is very simple. You can also cultivate this fish if you want. You don't need a fish tank or pond for this. You can get more than 3 times the profit by farming fish with biofloc system in drums or tanks on the roof of your house.